In this tutorial, I'm going to go over the desktop orientation. I'm going to show you how to switch views as well as how to be able to change some of your personal information. So once you've logged into the system, you will see these icons right across the top. These are the different pieces of the system with the table manager, admin manager, all the pieces like that. You can go ahead and left click on any one of these and it's going to open it up in this pane. And when you open it up, you can go ahead and minimize it. It'll be located down here in your taskbar. You can change it to just be a window size. The default is full maximized window, and then you can also click on the X to close it. You can also close it if you go down to the icon down here and right click. You'll see that there's a restore, minimize, or close, so you can go ahead and close that from there. You can also access it if you go to the little start button right down here and left click. You'll see that they're all located right here as well. I'll show you in a different tutorial how to create shortcut icons for your desktop as well for different tables. So these are the different main pieces of the system. Right here is the help. If you click on this, it'll take you to this video as well as other videos that'll show you how to use the different pieces of the system. About ESP, if you click on this, this is going to just give you the version information of the system as well as just the copyright data. You can go ahead and click on the About Me. This is going to detail your specific settings within the system. It's also going to show you any other links in the system, like if you have saved views of some specific tables or anything like that. You can change your password from right here. This is going to change your password for your database. And so if you go ahead and just click on that, you'll enter your old password and then your new password in duplicate. We do have some specific settings where it has to be a certain number of characters. It has to have a letter, a lowercase, uppercase, number, and a special character. So we do want to impose that level of security for that. Settings, if you go ahead and click on here, you can adjust some of the settings within the system. So these settings right here, you can choose the theme of the system, what time zone you're in. You can put in your email address. Currently we have English. As we have developers input this into other languages, you're going to be able to have more selections for other things. Switch view, this is a neat little feature. It's going to let you actually choose the interface of the system. So I can go to our tab view, go ahead and click yes. And you'll see that instead of having the desktop system, all of the different pieces of the system are now located in these different tabs. So this is actually going to be especially helpful if you're running an older system and your JavaScript engine isn't quite up to task. This is going to allow for the system to run quite a bit faster. And as you open different things, it's going to be able to increase these tabs right across there. So, but my particular favorite is the desktop. So let's just go ahead and jump right back there. Click on our start. Reset. If you make any changes in the system that need to be updated, if you wanted to put an icon on your desktop is a good example, you need to reset it. That's what this reset button does. It's going to close all your windows. So let me actually open something so you can see what that does. So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. You'll see that my table manager closed because it's just resetting the cache. If you're going to walk away from your workstation for a minute or two, you can go ahead and lock it. And then you just have to re-put in your password to be able to get back in. And then if you're done with working with your database, you can go ahead and just click log out. And that's going to completely log you out of the system. That's all there is to it.